do you think God looks like? With that image in your head, turn to the person on your right. Yep. Right. And tell them that you love them. I love you.
Okay, thank you.
I love you. That's some love. Nobody's on his right.
I don't have anyone
He
on my
has
right.
Jesus
Anyway.
on his right.
But anyway,
But I think when the time comes and like you're sitting there questioning your faith, what's going on in your life or whatever, and there's that random person that just walks in, like your mom or whatever, and they're just like, "What's wrong?" I think that's God. Like I think just when your mom knows you're upset, I mean, like, everyone knows. Like when your mom knows you're upset, that's a problem. And like I think that's when God is like, this is me now, you know? Yeah. And I think that's how he changes form, like you were saying, you know? He becomes the person you need the most.
Yeah.
I was listening on the radio a couple months ago, and one of the guys said, you know, he was having a lot of trouble going in terms of understanding like who he was and stuff like that, and he kind of, you know, decided to, you know, he quit his job, he just, you know, started driving just to know where he was going, and he stopped at at like a rest stop, and he was waiting in line, and all of a sudden, and you know, he was feeling really miserable, and then all of a sudden this girl with Down syndrome runs up to him and gives him a big hug, and from then on he pretty much, you know, changed. He kind of like had like a realization that he, you know, God's here for me, and I think that's almost like she was God. Like I think you're right, it kind of comes in the form of anything to guide you in the right way.
I think God looks like each and every one of us, because when you're drawing a picture, you kind of, like, if you just think off the top of your head, like to draw a person, you kind of make it look like you in a way, and I think there's a little bit of God in every one of us.